Okay, here we are. The winds are starting to rip. The clouds, I don't know if you can see them, but they are just flying by. There is a tornado warning. I think our neighbors are loading up to get out of here. And now the water is flying. I'm just looking for a tornado. I don't see anything. Sorry if I'm sick. Man, those clouds are moving fast. There's 22 levels of clouds there. There's some lower that are just flying. And then there's some above that are moving like half an inch. Okay, starting off. Okay, so we're watching local news, and that's their radar system. Oh, they just switched it. But right there is rotation, and they had a better, when it was just green and red, it was much better.
And black in particular. I'm going to circle this area, some of the dark.
Yeah, that's not looking good.
To the velocity. Looks like
so that's where the tornadoes are. That is Lake Tahoe on this side, which he just made go away again. So it is not far from where, well, it's quite a few miles yet. But that is a great picture of it. Green and red together like that is rotation. And that is a potential tornado. So let's show you what's going on. So you just saw the wind out there. Now we've got the rain too, so it's rough back here. Still draining. It's filling up the pool as quick as I can drain it out that siphon hose right there. Wind kicking. The limes on the lime tree hanging on. And look at, I don't know if you can see them, but in the middle of that muck out there is an alligator swimming across the pond. Just enjoying his day. It's a big one. Right about in the center of the camera is an alligator swimming across the pond. I'm not sure you can see that, but starting to get there. Holy cow. Okay folks, it's getting real now. We're over 40, low 50 on wind. You got the driving rain off. Yeah, this is probably as bad as it's been. Holy cow, I've been out here for a few seconds and I'm soaked. The Costco rain jacket, not doing it. Let's see what's happening out here. Oh yeah, it's getting lively. Oh yeah. That poor neighbor's pool is never gonna get done. Yep. It's getting rough. Look at the ducks. I don't know if you can see the ducks. What we call that's gator food. That's why the gators live here. Because those things are lunch. The limes are hanging in there. As a matter of fact, if things get real bad, I'm taking this one in for gin and tonics. Ha-ha! It isn't so bad. Okay, that's it. Holy cow. We'll, that's 40, 50 miles per hour. And I'll come out when it's 60 or 70.
and see what that's like. Whew.